made $1 million meal today. $1 million meal, $1 million meal with a fun kick of hungry taste. I started with a teardrop onion, a red bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, a green bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, and all the colors of peppers the kitchen can give. I made a sweet she-meat, goat, lamb, chicken, and fish. I made $1 million meal today. $1 million meal, $1 million meal with a fun kick of hungry taste. I made $1 million meal today. $1 million meal. $1 million meal with a fun kick of hungry taste. I started with a teardrop onion, a red bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, a green bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, and all the colors of bell peppers the kitchen can give. I made a sweet chewy meat, goat, lamb, chicken, and fish. I made $1 million meal today. $1 million meal. $1 million meal with a fun kick of hungry taste. Sunrise creeping in my window. Coffee machine goes blink, blink, blink. Another day, another dollar, or maybe just another think. My stomach growls a hungry sound. No fancy chef skills can be found. Anybody can cook. Yeah, anybody can cook. Just grab a pan, a spice, a book.
Anybody can cook.
Burnt toast streams and scrambled schemes. My kitchen's a war zone most days it seems. Floor dust on the ceiling. My culinary heart is reeling. They say practice makes perfect, but my oven,
ooh, sunrise creeping in my window. Coffee machine goes blink, blink, blink. Another day, another dollar, or maybe just another think. My stomach growls a hungry sound. No fancy chef skills can be found. Just grab a pan, a spice, a book. Anybody can cook. Burnt toast, dreams, and scrambled schemes. My kitchen's a war zone most days it seems. Flour dust on the ceiling. My culinary heart is reeling. They say practice makes perfect, but my oven,
a big bowl steaming, the start of it all. Stories rise with the scent, soft as a shawl. Grandma's hands stirring, the years in her smile. A love that lingers, my
after mile. Food is a story, a tale that we weave through hands and hearts in what we believe. It's a smile, it's a bond, a circle unbroken, a bowl full of light, where love is spoken. Mama's voice hums as the onions are diced. Laughter and tears, the flavors of life. A pinch of her wisdom, a sprinkle of care. Each bite a memory we all get to share. Around the table, the world feels small, a feast of moments. I cherish them all. Food is a story, a tale that we weave through hands and hearts in what we believe. It's a smile, it's a bond, a circle unbroken, a bowl full of light, where love is spoken. The taste of the past, the hope of the now. Every dish whispers, teaching me how to carry the tale, to share and to give. Through food, I learn how to live.